Hello, welcome back. In this video, I show you how to download and install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. For installing Kali Linux, we need image of Kali Linux. Write on the search bar kali.org. Then right click on the download button, then open link on the new tab. Here we have image of Kali Linux. Click here, then scroll down. If your system is 32, select 32. If your system is 64, choose 64. Then click here. Look, here we have one dot. It is download button. Click here. And also you need to download VirtualBox. If you don't have already VirtualBox, write on the search bar VirtualBox download or download VirtualBox, then open this first link. Here you have different VirtualBox for different operating system. If you use Windows, you can download for Windows. If you use Mac or Linux, you can download for Mac or Linux. After that, install VirtualBox. Just click next. When you download Kali Linux image, then open VirtualBox. Click on new. Write one name. I want to write here Kali. Then choose your software type. We want to install Linux. From version, select Debian 64 or 32. I want to select Debian 64-bit. Then click on next. Choose your RAM or select your RAM. 2 GB is also enough for Kali Linux. If you have more RAM, you can choose more, and also you can choose your processor. I want to choose 4 processor and also 5 GB RAM. Then click on next. 20 GB space is enough. Then click on next. Click on finish. Look, here we have settings. Click on settings. Click on storage, then click on empty. Click in this CD, then click on choose disk file. Now select your Kali Linux image. Your Kali Linux image is maybe on download. First time when you download Kali Linux, it came on download. I copy my Kali Linux on desktop. Select your Kali Linux, then click on open. After that, click on OK. Click on start. Click on graphic install. Just enter. Select your language, click on continue, then select your location. It's okay, continue. Confirm your keyboard, continue. Leave blank your configuration network. Click on continue. Hostname is by default Kali. Click on continue. We don't need domain name. Click on continue. Write your username. I want to write Tor. Continue. Also continue. Enter your password. Continue. Confirm your clock. Continue. Click on continue. Again continue. Continue. Again continue. Choose yes. Continue. Leave as default. Continue. Click on continue. Select the second one. Click continue. Finish the installation. Click on continue. Enter your username. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content. My username was Tour and my password was Kali. Click on login. Now we successfully installed Kali Linux. Click on view, then select full screen. I hope you enjoy from this video. In the end, before closing the video, don't forget to like this video. Have a good day. See you soon.